So this is what I accomplished today. I was supposed to have my husband help me, but he had to go to a PT and he got lost. But anyway, before he even left, he backed into a ditch and broke his car. So he hasn't been with me all afternoon. I was just about to give up and I said, I can't just do nothing today. So there it is. I lifted the house, the 2 inches it had dropped. That is like so rotten. This side, not so bad. My plan tomorrow is to cut up here, across here, across here, and then, I don't know, maybe I should follow this line. I'll follow this line because I have to take that whole board out. This board is rotten all the way. Probably some kind of termite or something going on there. So I did lift it up. That's why the upstairs roof is cracked. That's why there's a leak up in that roof. It's why the floor drops down to this side. I don't want to leave it like this tonight, so I'll probably just slide a board under there for backup support. And now I gotta go find out where my husband is at some body shop. When he was supposed to be helping me, instead he decided to fall into a ditch. That's how house projects go.